हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? आई एम श्रद्धा, योर एजुकेटर फ्रॉम स्टडी विद श्रद्धा. वी आर डूइंग चैप्टर 10 ऑफ क्लास 5 इंग्लिश एम्स रीडर. द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज अ फिशी स्टोरी. इस चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पर मिल जाएगा. लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग द बुक एक्सरसाइजेज नाउ. क्वेश्चन ए है, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस. First part है, the narrator and his two friends stayed near a river, perhaps because they. What is the meaning of perhaps? Perhaps means maybe. Let's look at the options. A. Liked staying in smaller towns. B. They were on a boating holiday down a river. C. Did not find any other place to stay. तो इसका क्या आंसर होगा? They were on a boating holiday down a river. नेक्स्ट है, ओनली जॉर्ज एंड द नरेटर वेंट टू द इन बिकॉज हैरिस. हमने क्या पढ़ा था? इनमें सिर्फ नरेटर एंड जॉर्ज गए थे, हैरिस टिन को. अभी डायरेक्टली कहीं नहीं लिखा कि हैरिस क्यों नहीं गया था, हमको ये इंटरप्रेट करना है. सो ऑप्शंस क्या है? हैरिस वॉज लुकिंग आफ्टर द डॉग, हैरिस डिड नॉट लाइक द इन, या हैरिस हैड नॉट गॉन आउट विद देम फॉर अ वॉक. सो इसका आंसर होगा हैरिस हैड नॉट गॉन आउट विद देम फॉर अ वॉक. तो इसमें हमारे बुक में सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में लिखा हुआ है, ऑन द सेकेंड इवनिंग जॉर्ज एंड आई एंड द डॉग वेंट फॉर अ वॉक टू वॉलिंगफुड. सो बिकॉज हैरिस डिडंट गो फॉर अ वॉक, सो इन भी नहीं गया. थर्ड है, द पीपल whom George and the narrator met in the inn liked serving strangers, boasting about themselves as great fishermen, serving good food to all. So क्या है इसका आंसर? boasting about themselves as great fishermen. Next, George climbed up on the chair because he. Now, why did George climb up the chair? Because he wanted to look at the fish closely. He was too short, or he was upset for not being served well. So, इसका क्या आंसर है? He wanted to look at the fish, at the trout closely. Question B. Answer these questions. First है, where was the trout and why did it fascinate George and the narrator? The trout was in a dusty old glass case fixed high up on the wall of the inn, जैसे आपको आपके स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है. And why did it fascinate George and the narrator? It fascinated George and the narrator because it was extremely large. आपके बुक में जो वर्ड यूज किया गया है वो है monstrous, तो आपकी मर्जी है. Monstrous means extremely large. Next question. How many people claimed that they had caught the trout? Who were they? So answer क्या है? 5 people claimed that they had caught the trout. If you remember, हमने explanation में मैंने ये एक टेबल बनाया था. तो 5 कौन से थे लोग? Old man, carrier, third man who had entered the inn, middle-aged man and owner of the inn. So 5 people claimed that they had caught the trout. The first was an old gentleman, the second was a local carrier, the third was a man who came into the inn, the fourth was a middle-aged man, and the fifth was the owner of the inn. Question 3. Which 4 pieces of information did the carrier give about his catching the trout? So carrier कौन होता है? हमने किया था porter होता है, right? So उसने क्या क्या बताया था? The carrier told the narrator and George that he had caught the trout 5 years back on a Friday afternoon. He said that he used a fly to catch it and that it weighed 26 pounds when he had caught it. So हो गए 4 pieces of information. 5 years back, Friday afternoon, used a fly and weight trout का क्या था जब उसने पकड़ा था उसको? 26 pounds. So fly क्या था? हमने ये explanation में क्या था, मैंने उसकी image भी दिखाई थी आपको, that एक artificial insect की तरह एक object होता है, उसको fishing rod पे attach करते हैं. सो इट्स यूज्ड एज अ बेट. जब ट्राउट आती है, जब बड़ी मछली आती है इसको खाने के लिए, तो वो पकड़ी जाती है. जूम इन करें तो फ्लाई कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. सी पार्ट है, थिंक एंड आंसर. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन व्हाट वे इज दिस स्टोरी अबाउट द ट्राउट अ फिशी स्टोरी? अब फिशी का मीनिंग क्या होता है? जब कोई चीज सस्पिशियस होती है ना, जिसपे कोई डाउट होता है, शक होता है, हम उसको कहते हैं देयर इज समथिंग फिशी. सो ये स्टोरी फिशी स्टोरी क्यों है? The story about the trout is truly a fishy story as it involves something doubtful and suspicious. अब doubtful suspicious क्या है? एंड तक it was unclear कि trout किसने पकड़ा. जो आ रहा था क्लेम कर रहा था मैंने trout पकड़ा, मैंने trout पकड़ा. So यही चीज fishy है. So till the end, it was unclear as to who caught the monstrous fish. In a short span of time, each of the 5 people claimed that they had caught it, whereas the reality was that trout was not even a real fish. It was made of plaster of Paris. Question 2 and the last question in the book exercises. Which part of the story did you enjoy the most and why? I enjoyed that part of the story when George climbed up on the back of the chair to get a better view of the monstrous trout. ये हमने explanation में भी किया था. You can see George standing on the chair so that he can get a better view of the trout. However, the chair slipped and he crashed to the ground holding the glass case of the trout. The trout shattered into many tiny fragments because it was made up of plaster of Paris. It's quite hilarious. Hilarious means funny. That the fish was not even a real fish, and the local people were all bragging, and each one of them was claiming that he was the one who had caught it. And this finishes with the book exercises. I hope आपको ये chapter अच्छे से समझ में आ गया है, question answers भी अच्छे से समझ में आ गया है. If you have any doubt, please post in the comments and I'll revert at the earliest. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.